Hello children, hope you are safe and studying regularly at home. Today we are going to do long answer type questions of second chapter of civics. Now write question number 1. Write some of the negative aspects of our healthcare system. Answer. The following are some of the drawbacks of our healthcare. First point, number of doctors available in rural areas are less as most of them settle in urban areas. Full stop. Second point, 2 million cases of malaria and 5 lakh cases of TB are reported every year. Third point, waterborne communicable diseases like diarrhea, hepatitis on the rise. Full stop. About 21% has no access to clean water. Full stop. Fourth point, half of all children are malnourished. Number 5, private health on rise and public healthcare system has not grown as per the need. Second question, what are the reasons for the health services to be called public? Question mark. Answer. The health service is called public for many reasons. First point, they fulfill their commitment of providing health care to all citizens. Full stop. The government has established these hospitals and health centers. Students who are left behind can pause the video. Second point, the resources needed to run these services are obtained from the money that we, the public, pay to the government as taxes. Third point, These services are meant for everyone. Meant for everyone. Fourth point, these services are organized by the government with the participation of people. Next question number 3. Medical expenses cause hardship for all. Medical expenses cause hardship for all. In commas this. Explain the statement. Answer. Private healthcare is more widespread than public healthcare. First point, private healthcare run for profit. They prescribe costly tests, medicines, etc. Second point, doctors prescribe unnecessary injections, saline bottles instead of cheaper methods like tablets. Third point, even those who might not be poor are unable to afford the treatment. Full stop. Fourth point, about 40% of all admitted patients have to borrow money to pay for medical expenses.